इयर एंडींग म्हळें की पर्यटकांच्या दोळ्यां मुखार गोंय नाचूंक लागता. 31 डिसेंबराची रात पर्यटक गोंयांत सरता. दर्यावेळो पर्यटकांनी फुलतात. लाखांनी पर्यटक गोंयांत इयर एंडींग मनोवपाक येतात. सगळीं हॉटेलां भरिल्लीं आसतात. रस्त्यार लोकांचो गजबज आसता. नाच कार्यावळी रंगार येतात. डान्स हॉल पर्यटकांनी भरतात. पण अंदू मात किण्ण पडलें. नोटबंदी गोंयांक बादली. संगीत महोत्सवाचे दाळवंदार बिटकीक कवळून गोंया भायर गेले. ताचोय परिणाम गोंयचेर जालो.
This money is not spent because it is 5,000. Even you and I in Bombay, we cannot survive with 5,000. Supersonic and this will be the Sunburn Festival. They have shifted out of Goa. They do not want to have these, come to Goa anymore. Now these people who came by 30th, it is get over and this will stay on for New Year. So that whole business is lost also. So all this put together and demonetization, of course, all this put together has hit the tourism below the belt because the tariffs have come down. The income is less because there is no money to spend in the among the foreigners or with the local people. And the number of people who are driving down with their cars, roads used to be clogged, they are less than half.
परू परस अंदू हॉटेलाचे दर देंवले. तेय बी 4 ते 5 हजारांनी. फ्लायटीच्यो तिकेटी देंवल्यो. तरी पर्यटकांनी गोंयांक फाट केली.
See, around two rooms बरे आहे की आमच्याकडे we were booked almost like 185 rooms per day. ते आमचे कमी जाऊन we have gone to around 174 rooms per day. On an average 10 to 11 cancellations we received per day for the last 3 days from 28th till 31st of December. So reason mainly which has been told by the guests, on one or reason that the last minute they said that it's cancelled because of some family problems of health and all that. That is different. But major problem which came across was in terms of Supersonic and the Sunburn being transferred to other areas which they were not aware about. पहिले आमचो रूम रेट आहे 17,000 दवरलो आम्ही. तो आता आमचे 10 रूम कमी असलेल्या कारण आम्ही कमी करून 15,000 काढला.
But the airfare, this year's airfare are half of what they were last. The number of people who have come are very less. There is today I feel that in spite of people last moment desperately lowering the prices and selling, they are still 15% below last year.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट पुडंट.